What's the meaning of airdrop? Airdrop. 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 Airdrop.
An airdrop is a process where a company or organization distributes free tokens or coins to its users or potential customers. This tactic is often used to raise awareness about a new cryptocurrency or blockchain project, attract new users, and reward existing ones. Airdrop tokens or coins are usually distributed through social media platforms, email lists, or directly to the wallets of eligible users. The result of an airdrop can be an increase in the token's value as it gains more exposure and interest, as well as a larger user base for the project.